Hey guys, I have the Boxycharm premium box for the month of August. I actually pay for this box myself. This is $35 a month. And lately I feel like there's a few things in the Boxycharm premium that really call out my name more than the regular base box. Is it just me or you guys too? Let me know down below. And if you aren't following me on my social media is down below. I will have timestamps as well down there for when the try on and the final thoughts are, if you guys are interested in just jumping into those. I did only try on 2 of the products from this box, and I will, you know, as the unboxing goes, tell you guys why. And yeah, let's jump into it. So this month I didn't get a card with my premium, and if you've been watching me for a hot minute, you know how annoying that is to me, but I'm just gonna let it slide. I'm gonna try to find the total value at some point. Either I'll put it across the screen at the end, I'll try to put all the prices down below and the total value down below for you guys, or in the comments or somewhere. So the first thing that I see in here is the editor palette, which is actually the look that I have on my eyes. I'm just gonna tell you guys, today was one of those days where it was just a bad day. Like I got home from work a little while ago. I saw I got both of my Boxycharms in, and I was like, I'm going to film. I'm gonna put my son to sleep, which is why I'm talking a little louder than usual. And I was like, I'm gonna get it. And I just felt like every look that I came up with sucked. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna roll with it because I can't do anything else. So today was just like a bad makeup day for me. The look that I have on is actually what I just like came up with and was like, let me just roll with it. So this is what the palette looks like. I don't know why it resembles Makeup Revolution to me a lot. The packaging is really pretty here in the front with the ciate. The mirror is really nice, and then the layout here just kind of reminds me of Makeup Revolution. There are a few, there's 4 mattes, and then a lot of beautiful shimmers. These shimmers are super pigmented. They picked up really nicely with my brush. Some of them, like as I blended out, like washed away a little bit, but then I went in with my finger just to sometimes you have to do that with shimmers, especially after blending. But this seems like a really beautiful formula. If you want to follow me on my social media, I have been doing a lot of reels and like 15-minute little get ready with me's videos on Instagram. So if you're interested in that, definitely go check them out below. You can find my Instagram there, and I will be playing with this palette there as well. So we'll see if I can come up with a better look. But it seems like a really, really beautiful palette. Next thing in here is the Gerard Cosmetics like liner, and this is called the Eternal eyeliner, and I will be giving this away. I don't really care for felt tips. That's just not my style. I've noticed that that's not something that works well with me. I really like brush tips a lot better than these kinds of tips. They just work better for me. It's just personal preference. So I will be giving this away to a friend, and that's one of the reasons that I'm not using it in the video or actually touching it or anything like that. Next product in here is the Dermalect. This is their extra large lash volumizer. So I will be starting to use this with my new lash. This is supposed to be kind of like a moisturizing it's some kind of like moisturizer booster formula for your lashes. It's supposed to help them be longer, fuller, thicker. It says you can also use it for your eyebrows if you want to. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1. So we'll see if it actually helps or improves with the new lash. But I will use it in conjunction with it because this is more kind of like a mascara. I have never seen it like this. Let me know what you guys think. I've never used something like this. So it kind of has like a gel, and then you like put it through your lashes as if it's a mascara. So I'm hoping that I can use this in conjunction with my new lash, because my new lash is my life. Next thing in here is this Daily Concepts Daily Detox massaging brush, and it's 100% natural bristles, and it's vigorous. So it's supposed to like give you like a very vigorous dry brush. I have heard of dry brushing, and dry brushing is like supposed to be really good for exfoliating your skin and helping with cellulite. So I will try this because I do have issues with my veins. I've had a few surgeries. I do share that on my Instagram, and I have shared like things, more personal things there on my Instagram. So this is supposed to stimulate circulation and detox your skin. So I will see if this actually helps me with that. And it does have kind of like a little, like a little handle. I'm not gonna open it right now. Let me see if I can open it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You basically put your hand and then you're supposed to like do circular motions on your leg. And it kind of has these little plastic little, you know, beads or something like that. And then with the brush, you're supposed to exfoliate your legs and also help with circulation. I will try this out with this dry brushing and see if that helps my legs or helps my cellulite. Either or, I'm good with that. Next thing in here is the MAC Satin Lipstick. I did try this on, but this is a little too bright for this whole look. So I did switch up the lip a little bit. But this is Pink Nouveau and it is a satin lipstick. But to be honest, it kind of seems almost matte when I applied it. It just didn't seem as satin. It just felt really dry on my lips, but that's what it looks like. It's super, super bright and just absolutely gorgeous. I love MAC lipsticks. I love the way they smell. I just really need to stop with lip stuff because I have way too much for just one pair of lips. And then the last product in here is this high dose retinoid serum from Sunday Riley. I am so excited about this. This was actually my choice for my premium last month. I was so excited that I got it. I am thrilled to test out this baby. I've heard so many good things. This thing has so many great reviews on Sephora, so I am pumped up. I am nearing my 40s, so mama wants to help these like smile lines and underneath here, you know. Any help that I can get, I'm more than happy to try. And I've heard a lot about retinoids like helping with that, so I'm hoping that this will help me a lot. And this, I'm almost sure that this is a whopping, like this is probably the most expensive thing in this whole box. But I'm so excited to try this. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the quick little try on that I did, the eye look and the lips, and then we'll do the final thought. Okay, so for the try on portion, we are going to jump into this Ciate London, the Editor palette. Ooh, it's so pretty. So let's go ahead and see. The packaging kind of reminds me of Makeup Revolution. Is it me? Yeah? I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and jump in. I'm going to use this coral shade, this matte coral, as my transition shade and just apply this in the crease. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this beautiful green and use that on the outer corner of my eye. I don't know why it's just calling my name, and then with the coral, I just feel like it's gonna look really pretty together. And this is super pigmented. They're going on really, really nicely, not chunky, not weird or anything like that. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with this rusty shade and apply that, or like, it's kind of like a red rusty shade, and apply that to the first half of my lid and blend that into the green. And these are going on spectacular. Like the pigmentation on these are so good. Okay, and then just to tie it together, I'm gonna put the green underneath the lash line, just because if not, I'm just gonna look like a crazy lady with a whole bunch of colors. You know what? I feel like I made a mess, but you know what? We're just gonna go with it. I'm gonna put some lashes on and we're gonna come back. We're gonna do it. Okay, I feel like with lashes it doesn't look as bad. We're gonna go ahead and try on this lipstick. It is a satin lipstick by MAC. It's called Pink Nouveau, I think it's pronounced. And I'm not sure how well this is gonna go with my look, but we're just gonna pop it on. This obviously does not go well with my look. It is a bright pink. I absolutely love MAC. I have a full collection of MAC lipsticks, so this one's just going to be added onto there. And take off this lip and put a more neutral lip gloss on, just because I feel like it goes better with the look. And I'll give you guys my final thoughts on the box. So for my final thoughts, I have to say my premium, I really love it. Just with the Sunday Riley is enough for me to love this box this month. It's $35 a month that I pay for it, but just this this is worth it alone. I know that this is really pricey. And then the Ciate palette is a bonus. This lash I'm going to be trying out. I love MAC lipsticks, so this was a plus for me. The only thing that I would say is something that I won't really use, and I still feel like I got my money's worth, is this Gerard Cosmetics, just because I personally don't like felt tips. But yeah, I feel like it's a really great box this month. I'm actually super happy, and I actually like the premium more this month than my base box, and that seems to be happening more and more frequently. I don't know why. It just seems like there's more products in here that I like a little bit more. So yeah, I will put the total value around here if I found it. If not, I'll try to find it and put it down below for you guys in the description box. Let me know what your thoughts are, and yeah, I'd love to hear back from you guys. If you're not following me on my social media, it's down there. You can subscribe and hit that little red button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.